Alright guys, welcome back to Gingerhead Aviation Patriot here on YouTube. Today we're going to be putting some training wheels on my daughter's little CRF 50 here. She absolutely loves it, but it also terrifies her. She can ride a bike with without training wheels, but this is a little fast for her. So we're going to throw these on. I got them at Facebook Marketplace for 20 bucks. They mount up perfectly, they should. So what I believe they're gonna do is they're going to mount up here. Just gotta pull these off, and then the pegs will go right here. They'll just be moved over like an inch, it looks like. And then we need to air it up. One tire, it looks like it's not holding air. I aired them up yesterday. This one seems to be holding air. This one is not, but I have some of that green slime. We're gonna go ahead and throw in there and see if it'll hold some air. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right guys, we've got this green slime here. Prevent and repair flat tires. I haven't used this since I was like a little kid. My dad used it. We're gonna see. You can try to help me. There's a little valve stem removal tool. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Valve stem removal tool. Pretty dirty in there. Let's say how much to put in there.
Only 5 drops then.
5 drops?
Yeah.
Alright, that one.
Look at you go, Daddy.
Yeah, look at it go.
Oh.
Now we gotta air it up.
Yeah, now we gotta air it up. Is it flat though?
Yeah, it's flat right now. Gonna put this back in, and then we gotta air it up.
I still hope it works. Okay, I'm gonna pull this up.
Okay,
You need some.
go ahead. There you go. There you go. Alright, let's see if this holds air now.
Yeah!
Might have to lube up these wheel bearings as well.
Ready?
That doesn't move very fast.
We'll see this one.
That's squeaky. Well, this one holds air at least. Alright guys, now we need to take out this little cotter pin right here. There's a washer here, so can't lose that. And then this foot peg will come right off. We're gonna do both sides.
Yeah.
Here's the other side. The other cotter pin and washer. Let's do it. I'm not entirely sure if I have replacement cotter pins. I will look for some, but if not, I can just reuse those ones. That's not ideal, but just don't break them.
They're on the very top.
They're on the very top.
Hand it to me. Hand it to me.
I don't want to.
Hurt yourself?
I don't want to break these cotter pins.
Don't break them.
Ow!
What? You're gonna break it.
I'm gonna hurt myself. That's what I'm gonna do.
Don't hurt yourself, Daddy. Why do you hurt yourself? Can I see you hurt yourself?
I just hit my hand. Thank you. Thanks, dude.
You're very good.
You're a very good helper.
I'm a very good
Yeah, you sure are.
Daddy,
Excuse me, buddy.
what has those little cookie things on the back? What has those little cookies? Daddy, what has those little cookie things on the back?
Once you get the cotter pins out, it's just these bolts will slide right out, and then your foot pegs will come right out. So I have them right side, left side, because they're kind of canted certain ways, as you can see that. So I just like to keep my stuff a little organized. And we have the cotter pins here. They're a little mangled up, but they are going to be reusable. Yep, those are magnetic, but let's keep them separated so we don't lose them. The next step is to get the training wheels on. Yep. Can you slide them under there? There you go in front of the engine. Yep. So like this. Push, push, push. There we go.
We're making your finger. Is it done yet?
Fittings? There we go. Now we can get it on there. Apparently, I don't have a 1/2 inch deep socket, which is kind of so we're just gonna do this by hand. And this doesn't really, it's way tighter than I wanted it to be. Try to snap. I can feel it already. Yeah, we're gonna find a different nut, because that's not the same threads, and it's gonna snap that bolt. Found some nuts that will work, but along with the lock washers, I'm gonna use some Loctite because I do not want these coming off. But I have the bolts oriented in a way so if they do come off, the bolts will stay in. So that's good, I guess. All right, I'm gonna throw some Loctite on here. Oh, that was crazy. Why my Loctite's so liquidy? Lock washer. nut. Tighten her up. Right, this side, already got the Loctite on this side. We're gonna do the lock washer and the nut. Now we gotta get those pegs back on there. Perfect. Cotter pin back in. And bend it. Alright, let's do this side now. Making sure that's still holding air. Where's my hole at? There we go. Oh shoot. Dang it. Dropping everything. Pull it all the way in. All right, folks, there you have it. Training wheels on a little CR150, or CR50, excuse me. I think I'm actually gonna pull these handlebars back a little bit while I have them right here, just because I think they're a little bit forward for my little girl.
Good job doing the training wheels on.
Thanks.
How are you doing out here?
I'm gonna move these handlebars back a little bit for Lexi.
How are you doing out here? And for me, Daddy.
Here, sit up here. Sit up on the bike. You can be my. Is that good? Right there.
No. What happened to put it all the way down? Put it all the way down.
Not all the way down.
Come on.
I think it's probably good.
And put mine down. And put mine down. Why? Oh, and put mine down, okay?
Yours are good.
And mine down?
Huh?
Mine down? Oh, there is just the brake. Is this just the front brake?
This is the front brake, and that's the rear brake, just like yours.
Oh. Can you talk with two brakes? Can you talk with two brakes?
Yep.
Oh, I'd hop with two brakes. Why do you guess you only have one brake?
All right. Let's see how many. Let me see how it looks. Oh yeah, that looks better for her. All right.
Daddy!
Got the handlebars pulled back. This actually looks pretty good for her. This is my son. He's 3. My daughter's 5. So it should work for her with those handlebars right there. And if not, I can pull them forward just a little bit. I think somebody was using this as a little pit bike before we got it. So, but cool. The training wheels are on, and we're good. Thanks for watching another episode of Gingerhead Aviation Patriot. We'll see you on the next one.